Peace be upon you. Today we'll talk about ACRL. The full name of ACRL is the Association of College and Research Libraries. This organization was established in 1940 and is a crucial division of the American Library Association. ACRL aims to strengthen college and university libraries, promote a research culture, and assist in the professional development of librarians. This organization develops information literacy standards and provides guidance to enhance library services in educational institutions. In short, ACRL plays a significant role in improving the quality of libraries in higher education and research. ACRL's initiatives include workshops, conferences, and publications that aim to share best practices and innovative ideas among librarians and educators. These activities not only foster collaboration, but also ensure that libraries remain at the forefront of educational advancement. Through ACRL, librarians gain access to valuable resources and networking opportunities that help them adapt to the ever-changing landscape of higher education. The growth of ACRL reflects the evolving needs of academic institutions where libraries are essential in facilitating research and learning. By embracing new technologies and methodologies, ACRL empowers librarians to effectively support their communities. As education transforms, ACRL adapts, ensuring that libraries continue to serve as critical hubs for knowledge and innovation.